What is going on? Welcome into the Faithful Studio. As you can tell, holy cow, I cannot talk. My mouth is numb. I just had wisdom teeth extraction. I am literally an hour out. But I have a package from Debonair that I want to open and show you guys today. If you can't understand me, that's your loss, I guess. Because I can't really tell what I'm saying either. Let me get all this stuff out of here. I feel like the Cottonmouth Kings right now. I got Cottonmouth galore. Because I do have cotton in my mouth. But it's also dry. Alright, so we got some stuff. Let's see what it is. Stufferoo. If you're new here, this is not the normal content. And I can talk better than this. Ideally. But my tongue is numb. My lip is numb. My face is numb. And it's extremely painful. And it is hot in here. And I'm trying to hurry because I'm getting a new roof put on my house today. I'm just dumping all this stuff out from Debonair so I can show you guys. The owner's name is Corey Miller. And I've heard really good things about this stuff, so I went and bought some one time. And now it's going to be time to review it. So let's see. Take a look at this. This is Paul Bunyan beard oil. She got a gold label. It says Paul Bunyan on it. Ingredients are apricot, avocado, castor, coconut, grapeseed, hemp seed, sweet almond, vitamin E. And you got a pump topper. Ooh, that smells pretty good. It kind of smells like a coconut-covered donut. A coconut-covered donut. I like that. Then we got mahogany teak wood. I keep hearing a ton of things about mahogany teak wood. Let me see what it smells like. It's a cologne scent. It's a cologne scent. I don't like teak wood, but that one smells pretty good. Distinguished Gent. Distinguished Gent. Same ingredients, it looks like. That one's good too. Now, see, there's some things I don't like that I'll give feedback on, like the label. But that's the review. Hopefully by then I can talk. A shave and a haircut. So this has got to be a barbershop one, right? A shave and a haircut. Ooh, I like that one. That's not your normal barbershop type scent, in my opinion. What do we got here? Unscented. Let's just see if it's really unscented or if it's... Oh, that's pretty unscented. It smells like there's nothing in there. This could be an empty bottle. What do we got here? Unscented beard wash. Oh, that's pretty good for unscented. I don't smell my cleaning agents. Unscented beard butter. Beard butter. Hey, a label's on the side. That's awesome. It's like a gold mailing address label. Man, that is unscented. Ooh, I like the feel of this butter. I like the feel of that. Sorry about the video quality and the audio, because I don't know what's going on. Beard balm. Seems like a pretty hard balm. And then we got hydrating mist. Oh, it's an unscented hydrating mist. Let's just test it out. Oh, I got it in the eye. Ooh. Ooh, it's so misty. Except it says hydrating. Shouldn't it say moisturizing? Distinguished Gent beer butter. Oh, here we go. Shea butter, mango butter, apricot, avocado, castor, coconut, grapeseed, hemp seed, jojoba, and almond oils. You got a clear container. It's like a double wall. Interesting. A double wall container. We got these little Oh, I did pretty good. And that's how the beard butter looks. My camera loves my face. It loves my face. That's how it looks. So there you go. What do you think about all that? So right off the bat, I'm going to come in 8.4 for the initial FRS. I'll review them. I'll come back Friday, let you know what I really think. Sorry about the mouth and the audio. I hope you can all hear it and understand. If not, maybe the closed captions will figure it out. Oh, I got another hydrating mist. This is a shave and a haircut. But it's not a hydrating. It's not a hydrate. I don't know. Okay. I love you guys. Sorry about this. Hit me up in the comments below if you can understand this. Be you. Be bearded. And God bless. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell. Turn on all your notifications so you know when we come out with new content. You can also find us at faithfullybearded.com, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on your favorite podcast network. Just search Faithfully Bearded on your favorite podcast app. God bless.